launch, launch, launch.
It means to start something, like an idea or a project, by making it happen for the first time. Here's a sample sentence. The company will launch its new product, a revolutionary smartphone, on Friday at 10 a.m.
Laundry, laundry, laundry.
It's the process of washing, drying, and cleaning clothes and other fabrics to make them clean and fresh again. Here is a sample sentence. The laundry was piling up, so I decided to do a load in the washing machine.
Lawn, lawn, lawn.
A type of outdoor space, usually made of grass, that is often found in front or backyards of homes. It's a flat area where people can sit, play, or relax. Here's a sample sentence. The family spent their Saturday afternoon mowing and watering the lawn, preparing it for a summer barbecue.
Lay, lay, lay.
This word means to put something down or place it somewhere, often in a flat position. Here's a sample sentence. The pilot will lay the plane on the runway for takeoff. In this example, lay is used as a verb to mean to place or put something, the plane, in a certain position.
Layer, layer, layer.
It's something that is placed on top of another thing, making a separate part from what was underneath. Here's a sample sentence. The cake had multiple layers, with creamy frosting in between each one.
Layout, layout, layout.
It's the way things are arranged or organized in a space, like how furniture is placed in a room. Here's a sample sentence. The interior designer spent hours perfecting the layout of the living room, making sure that the furniture and decor were arranged in a way that was both aesthetically pleasing and functional.
Leadership, leadership, leadership.
It's about guiding others towards a common goal or direction, often making decisions that help everyone work together effectively. Here is a sample sentence. The company's CEO was widely recognized as a strong leader, known for her effective leadership style and ability to inspire her team to achieve great results. This sentence demonstrates how the word leadership can be used in context to describe someone who has a significant influence or authority over others.
Leading, leading, leading.
This word means being at the front or ahead, guiding others to follow. Here is a sample sentence. The company's innovative approach and experienced leadership team are leading the industry in developing sustainable energy solutions. In this example, leading means to be at the forefront or in charge of something.
Leaflet, leaflet, leaflet.
A small piece of paper that is folded or printed with information, often used to give people details about something. Here's a sample sentence. The environmental organization distributed leaflets to passers-by on the street, highlighting the importance of recycling and reducing waste.
League, league, league.
A group of people or teams that work together, often with a common goal or purpose. Here's a sample sentence. The baseball team was in first place, but their arch rivals were closing in on them, and now they're tied for league championship. In this example, league refers to a group or division of teams competing against each other.
Leak, leak, leak.
It's when something unwanted comes out or escapes from somewhere, often making a mess. Here is a sample sentence. The old pipe in the basement had developed a leak, causing water to drip onto the floor.
Lean, lean, lean.
It means being thin or not very heavy, but still strong and healthy. Here is a sample sentence. The athlete's lean physique was evident in her quick and agile movements on the track. In this example, lean describes the athlete's physical appearance as slender or thin.
Leap, leap, leap.
It's an action where you jump forward quickly, often with more force than a regular step. Here's a sample sentence. The gymnast took a leap off the springboard and landed perfectly on the mat. This sentence demonstrates the word leap in action, showing how it can be used to describe a sudden or impressive jump.
lease, lease, lease,
It's an agreement where someone gets to use something that belongs to someone else for a certain amount of time, as long as they pay a set price or follow some rules. Here is a sample sentence. The landlord and tenant signed a 12-month lease agreement that included rent payments, utilities, and maintenance responsibilities.
lecture, lecture, lecture,
A talk given by someone who is an expert on a particular subject, usually to teach or inform others about something. Here is a sample sentence. The professor delivered a lecture on quantum physics to her students, using complex diagrams and equations to illustrate key concepts.
legal, legal, legal,
This term refers to something that follows rules and laws, making it acceptable and allowed by society. Here is a sample sentence. The lawyer ensured that all the documents were in order and met the legal requirements before filing them with the court.
legend, legend, legend,
It's a story or idea that is widely believed to be true, but might actually be made up or exaggerated. It's often something that people talk about and remember fondly. Here's a sample sentence. The quarterback was a legend on the field, known for his incredible accuracy and ability to lead his team to victory in crunch time. In this example, legend is used to describe someone who has achieved great success or recognition in their field. The word implies that the person is highly respected and admired by others, often due to their exceptional abilities or accomplishments.
legendary, legendary, legendary,
This word means something or someone that is extremely famous, admired, and often considered the best at what they do. It's like being a hero or an icon in people's eyes. Here's a sample sentence. The towering fire-breathing dragon that guarded the treasure was said to be a legendary creature from ancient myth and legend. In this example, legendary means famous or celebrated in stories, myths, or legends. It implies that the dragon has become a well-known and iconic figure through its depiction in folklore and popular culture.
legislation, legislation, legislation,
It refers to the process of making rules or laws that govern how people should behave or what they can do. Here's a sample sentence. The new government passed legislation to reduce carbon emissions and promote renewable energy sources. This sentence demonstrates how the word legislation can be used in context, referring to laws or rules that have been officially enacted by a governing body.
legitimate, legitimate, legitimate,
This word means something is real, true, or honest. It's about being fair and following rules. Here is a sample sentence. The charity's tax-exempt status was revoked because it was found to be operating without a legitimate purpose. In this example, legitimate means genuine or authentic, implying that the charity did not have a real or honest reason for its existence.